Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the baby version of Bronto in Fortnite. So let's jump right into it with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this baby version of Bronto, and we're gonna start out with the snout area first. So this is gonna be, I guess, the upper jaw. So we'll just draw one line across first, and then we're gonna go up to finish up the snout area. Okay, so just one big curve, almost like a half circle going up. And then once we have that, let's just draw one line across here for some detail. And let's just go ahead and draw in two little circles here for the nostrils. Alright, so once we have that, we're going to draw in the bottom jaw here. So we're going to curve almost another half circle on the bottom. Alright, and then once we have that, let's go ahead and draw in some teeth so we know where we are. So right on top here, right in the middle, I'm just gonna draw one tooth first. Okay, so right in the middle, and then once you have that, just kind of zigzag all the way to the back. So 1, 2, I can fit about 3. Alright, so now that we have the top, so let's come and draw in the bottom. So right in the middle, we'll come down here. And then for this one, we're gonna go up this way, so like a little V shape. And then we'll close those. So those are the bottom teeth, and then we'll just go out. Just kind of zigzag all the way out again. Alright, and then lastly for his mouth inside, just draw one curve, a slight, kind of like a slight happy face. And then here's the lower lip. And then on the corner, we'll just add in two little marks like this. Alright, so now we can fill in the rest of the head. So this part, we're just gonna come all the way around on the bottom here. We just follow the inside curve. Okay, so just come down with two lines like this first, and then we'll curve it around, finish up the bottom. And then once we're at the bottom, we'll go up, and this one's gonna go up a little bit higher. So we'll extend the line. And curve it all the way around. It's gonna be the top of the head. Okay, and then now we can draw in the eyeball. So come right around here. Just gonna draw like a little curve like this going up. Alright, I know this curve's a little bit tricky to draw. It's almost like a little egg shape. And then once we have that, I'm going to draw the inside. So I'm going to start in the middle here. Now draw like a little curve going up again. And then this one's going to just be touching the edges. So I'm just going to shade it in. Okay, and then lastly for some details right here. Come here and just curve it out. Actually, it kind of looks like Barney. Alright. So that's the head, and let's move on to the body. So the body is very easy to draw. We're going to start on the side here on the little scarf. So we just slant down like this first, and then we'll slant in toward the center. And then in here, we just add in one little V shape. Just to show some folds. And then for the body, we're gonna come right in the corner here. Just come almost straight down, all the way down to his belt right here, the bottom of his belt. And I'm just gonna close it off. And for his belt, I'm just gonna come up. It's one line across. And let's finish up the belt buckle right here. So in the center, just two lines. And then in the center here, we'll add in two little rectangles. Alright, and then let's see, he's got some straps. So I'm gonna start right here. Just come down. So this is gonna be the armpit area. And it's got one big strap all the way across. So I'm just gonna start here. And it's got another strap all the way across. So I'm gonna start here. Just go up, tuck it in, And then right here, whatever line you have here, just come up, draw the same slant. And then lastly, let's see, it's got a button here. And if you want to, we can add in, yeah, this one's easy. We just add in a little square here for this pocket. And then let's come in for the V shape. Alright, so now let's draw in his arms, and I'm gonna have him on the side here. So right here, just kind of come down about halfway of this, and then I'm gonna curve it back. So here's the elbow. I'm just gonna curve it back into the belt. Okay, so once you have this curve, come up here, just come in about halfway, and then come down. I know it looks a little bit strange right here, but this is actually his glove. Okay, so once you have this angle, draw another line, and we can add in some details here for the glove. It's the wrist area. And then to finish off the arm, all we have to do is just come here and just close that off. So now it looks like it's bending in. Alright, so let's draw on the other side. So same thing here. Curve about halfway, and then we're going to curve it back in to the belt. And then again, you can use this for reference. Go up, and then come down. Draw a little bar there, and this is going to be a glove. So again, some more details. And then whatever space you have here, here's the armpit. Just slant it down. And then we can add a little strap here. So this one's easy, just 2 lines. Alright, so that's the upper body, and the leg is very easy as well. So let's just start here to finish off the little shirt design here. I'm just going to draw one curve all the way around, and then it's got a button in the center. Alright, and then for his legs, just come down, come back to the middle here, just draw like a little U shape or upside down U shape like this, right around here, and then we'll just close that off. Alright, and then for the lower leg, it's going to be a little bit different. We're just going to come all the way down first. So this is going to be the bottom of his shoe. And then once we have this point here, we'll come all the way across, so past this line. Okay, and then from here, I'm just going to draw one dome shape here. Okay, so that's going to be a shoe. And then whatever space you have here, just keep going down and close it off. Alright, so it's a little bit tricky. So let's draw on this side, come all the way down here, and then go straight across, and just try to draw the same length as this line here. And then once you have that, we're going to curve a half circle all the way from corner to corner. Okay, and then again, close this off. Alright, so that's the hardest part, and now we can add in the details here. So we just add in 2 lines here for the sole. And we can also add in a couple of lines coming down. And then for the armor, just 2 lines going down. And that is it for this baby version of Bronto. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.